This wonderful cream for skin whitening and getting rid of wrinkles contains wonderful natural ingredients that nourish the skin. This is one of the wonderful creams that removes wrinkles on the face in a very short time and whitens the skin by more than 7 degrees. And it contains a lot of important nutrients in solving all incurable skin problems, as well as helping to get rid of dark spots that often affect the skin under the influence of the hot sun, and does not harm the skin in the future, and is more useful than industrial ones. Creams that contain chemicals that have the opposite effect on the skin have been used for a long time. The way to prepare this recipe at home is very easy. The first ingredient is starch. Dear friends, write in the comments which country you are watching our channel from. It is very interesting to know. Add turmeric. Add flour to the mixture. Add milk to the mixture. Dear friends, write in the comments which country you are watching our channel from. It is very interesting to know. Add lemon drops. We mix the ingredients thoroughly until a homogeneous, creamy mixture is obtained. Take an empty glass jar, pour the mixture into it, and put it in the refrigerator until the cream becomes homogeneous. Apply the mixture to the face and neck and leave it for 30 minutes. We remove the cream from the skin with warm water. And we notice that the wrinkles disappear and the skin becomes white. We use the cream every day until you achieve excellent results. This cream helps to whiten the skin wonderfully and significantly. Eliminates wrinkles on the face, reduces the appearance of the first signs of aging. Removes dark spots and tan caused by exposure to sunlight. Removes acne and pimples caused by oils produced by oily skin. It contains many minerals and vitamins that nourish the skin. It reduces dark circles around the eyes because turmeric increases blood circulation. Turmeric fights all skin diseases such as eczema, rosacea, psoriasis, alopecia, stretch marks, dry skin. Slows down the hair growth process in the body. It also gets rid of unwanted hair in women. Please like this video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe